Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. After long time, after 4 years, today we are going to do is migrate the WordPress website. So this is hosting a cPanel, and I am searching about domains, and here we can see websites. Click on that, and we need to go to the my website URL here. My domain is themiya.com, and I need to change this domain DNS. Okay, on my left side there is option domains, and we have couple of settings here: subdomains, park domains, redirects. This is not time search about. I need to search about DNS. Okay, this is DNS zone editor. Okay, right here I have IP address. Right, this one, let's copy this IP address and paste this. Okay, right, we need to remove this one because I have redirected this one to AWS cloud platform. We can reset this DNS records from here. Click on reset DNS records. This feature reset all existing DNS records of themiya.com to default. Yes, I need to do that. Click on reset DNS records. Okay. Are you sure to reset? Yes, reset it. Right, reset DNS reset initialize successful. That take 5 minutes. Okay, we have default DNS records right now. We can reload the page. It is still running because DNS change effecting is take some time. We can check DNS record checker. We can DNS lookup tools, DNS checker. Here we have themiya.com and search, and here we can see IP address 151. right, we can see 151 from here. This one is now hosting a cPanel access, I think. Yeah, this is a hosting account. Proceed. Yeah, right here now running, it's running direct IP address hosting the server access. So still domain is not redirecting. Okay, I need to clear my cache also. So how to clear Windows DNS cache? Right now we have Gemini search result, show more, and CMD. Okay, let's allow this command CMD. Right now we have let's run this one as administrator. Okay, we have now command prompt IP config /flush DNS and click enter. Yeah, successfully flushed the DNS and resolved cache. Okay guys, our DNS changed now. Here you can see hosting the default web page is loaded to our screen. So I'm going to dashboard to install WordPress to this domain. So in here, this one is home. I'm going to this websites, and here we have our domain themiya.com. Go to the dashboard. Here we have auto install option on hosting. So click on auto installer. Here we have couple of choices. We have WordPress, WooCommerce, Joomla, and other. We are going to install this WordPress. Select, and here we have website credential, website title. We can say it's Themiya, and this is my admin email, and this is username, and this administrator password. So here we have installation path. This is my domain themiya.com, and here this is a root path. This is the recommended root path, and here we have choose a database, create new database, recommended, and database password we can add to here. But in my case, I'm not going to add the database password because I'm going to migrate the website, so that website has the passwords, so I don't need to add from here. So click on next, and here we have recommended WordPress version is 6.6.2 and language English, and here we have PHP version 8.2, and I will keep this updated only minor version recommended, and click on install. And here you can see hosting a default web page. This will be removed once the WordPress installation is finished. See the WordPress default theme here. We need to wait a couple of minutes. So now we have successfully installed the WordPress website on our hosting cPanel. So we have installed our WordPress website to our hosting servers with this domain. So we have now logged into our dashboard. Now I'm going to install plugin. Go to the plugins and add new plugin. Here we can upload the plugin from here. Choose file, go to the desktop, all in one Pro, click on install, active the plugin. So I'm going to migrate the website now. This is the best part of this video, and go to the import, click on import from file. Here I have my migration file on desktop. Here select let's upload the file. This uploading will take couple of minutes. Let's wait. So here we have uploaded our migration file, and now we can click on this proceed button. So this is the website right now. We have successfully migrated our website. If you have any problem about this one, please add a comment below in our comment section. Thank you guys.